alligator, snapping with a smile. B is for bear, can dance in style. C is for cat, so fluffy and neat. D is for dog with 4 happy feet. E is for elephant, big and bold. F is for fox, clever and cold. G is for giraffe, tall and grand. H is for hippo, who splashes on land. I is for iguana, green and long. J is for jaguar, fast and strong. K is for kangaroo, bouncing around. L is for lion, with a mighty sound. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for newt, who loves a cool breeze. O is for owl, wise in the night. P is for penguin, dressed in black and white. Q is for quail, who's quick on her feet. R is for rabbit, who loves a sweet treat. S is for snake, slithering low. T is for tiger, with stripes in a row. U is for Uriel, a wild mountain sheep. V is for vulture, circling deep. W is for whale, singing a tune. X is for Zurus, who plays till noon. Y is for yak, with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, with stripes to wear.